If you own a BMW and you ever miss any kind of logos that's missing off your wheel, or maybe somebody stole the one in the hood ornament, this is a replacement for every single item. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. First, you get 4 of these, and these are for the actual replacement if you have them on the rims. And if you can notice, these are actually set for the rims already, and you get 4 of them. And they're pretty much the M version of it, the BMW M series, right? So it has plenty. It has the extra blue. If you guys can see the extra lining. So these are for the 4 tires I had, and then we have the front and the back footerment. So if you're missing those or replacement or need replacement, these are perfect. Now, besides that, they give you an adhesive one. So this will be probably for the steering wheel, most likely for the steering wheel. So if you guys can see the adhesive in here, pretty much this is all you get. Very simple to replace. So you just, if you have one that's missing or it's falling apart, this is a good replacement. It's easy to just take off. You will need a flathead just to remove that one. On the front, it's the same thing, but they're pretty much plastics that grip on to the actual front of the ornament. And then the back, of course, you know, the larger one will be in the back. So if you do need a replacement, like I said, for the internal one, that's the first thing that always goes because of the sun damage. This is a perfect replacement. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.